Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So, maybe. Maybe. Something that might happen. Maybe. Maybe we could go there. Maybe the door is locked. Maybe the door is locked. Maybe the door is locked. Soon we should go there. Maybe. Soon we should go there. Maybe. Yeah. I know she may be here soon. She may be here soon. But maybe she'll be here soon. Maybe. Maybe, maybe not. Depends. Maybe they turned left, not right. Maybe they turned left, not right. Possible, yeah. Maybe he's going through that door. Maybe he went through that door. Maybe they were here first. It's possible, yeah. Maybe they wrote it earlier. Yeah. Indeed, it's possible. Yeah. Do you know a way they could have maybe escaped? Because they might have escaped, they did escape. They may be. They may have escaped that way. Maybe they escaped last night. It's possible. Yeah, maybe I will take a break after recording this lesson. Yeah, maybe. How cool is that? Yeah. So, maybe. Yeah. Now, can you use maybe in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.